Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful little scarf. As you can see, it's a very fine, slim, skinny scarf. It could almost be called a cravat, and it's very easy to crochet. So for this project, the free pattern is as always available on my blog, selinaveronique.com. I will be linking the link in the description box. I will also be linking all of the materials in the description box. So for this project, I used this yarn, which is Stylecraft Special DK in shade Lipstick. This is one of my favorite yarns. The color is so striking and beautiful. This is a DK Light 300% acrylic yarn. Obviously, you can use whichever yarn you prefer for this project. You will also be needing a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, take your yarn and make a slip knot like so. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now you are going to be chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now you are going to be placing a half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So count 1, 2, 3 chains and place a half double crochet into that. And to create a half double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook and go into the chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 3 loops like so, and the first chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. Now place a half double crochet into the next and last chain like so, and this creates row 1, which is 3 half double crochets. So now for next row, which is the increase row, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work. This chain 2 counts as your first half double crochet, and I'll just go ahead and place another half double crochet into the same first stitch to create your increase on the first side. Now go into the next stitch with a half double crochet, and now go into the next stitch, which is also the chain 2 from the previous row, with 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and this creates row 2. So now for row 3, and we should have 5 half double crochets in total, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 2, turn your work once again and place a half double crochet into the same first stitch, so that we have 2 half double crochets together in one stitch to create our increase on the first side. And now go ahead and place a half double crochet, and just go ahead and place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of the row, which is also the chain 2 from the previous row, into which you will be placing 2 half double crochets into this. And this is what we have for row 3. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work. And for row 4, we are also going to be increasing, so place a half double crochet into the same first stitch and place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across like so. And in the last stitch, place 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. This is what we have. And now for row 5, which is another increase row, but our last increase row, chain 2, turn your work, place another half double crochet into the same stitch, and just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this row. And now place 2 half double crochets into the last stitch, which is the chain 2 from the previous row. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. You should have 11 half double crochets now. And now we are simply going to be repeating the next row, which isn't an increase row, so chain 2, turn your work. This counts as a half double crochet and goes with this first stitch. And because we are not increasing, we are going directly into the second stitch with a half double crochet, and just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across, and this begins the straight edge of this project. And now we've reached the end of this row, and we are going to be placing a half double crochet into the chain 2 like so. This is what we have. And now we are simply going to be repeating the straight row, so the non-increase row, over and over. So I'll just show you once again. Chain 2, turn your work. This counts as your first half double crochet. And now just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across like we've just done, and just repeat this row until you have 138 rows, until you have 138 rows in total. And then I'll show you what to do then. So I'll just finish this row. So just go ahead and repeat the rows until you have 138 in total, and then I'll show you how to finish off this scarf. Okay, so this is the project. As you can see, I've crocheted 138 rows in total. I'm really happy with what I have, and now I'm going to show you how to crochet the last rows, the decrease rows. So to decrease, chain 1, this does not count as a stitch, and you are going to be skipping the first stitch here and just working directly into the second stitch. So just go ahead and place your half double crochet into the second stitch, and we've chained 1 and turned. Just go ahead and do that. Place your half double crochets like so into the project. Okay, so I've placed all of my half double crochet into each stitch, but once I've reached the end of the row, I've not half double crocheted into the last stitch, which is also the chain 2 from the previous row. So on this row you should have 9 half double crochets, and this is our first decrease row. Now for the next, I'm just going to T-zoom. So we've chained one and turned our work, and once again we are skipping the first stitch here and going directly into the second stitch with half double crochets, and we are simply going to be repeating the row that we did prior just now, and just placing half double crochets into each and every stitch across until we reach the end of the row, and we are simply going to be leaving the last stitch undone or unstitched, if that's even a word. And that is also the chain 2 from the previous row, and you should have 7 stitches now. Chain 1, turn your work once again, skip the first stitch and place your half double crochets into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this row, like so. So you now have 7 stitches on this row. So now chain 1, turn your work, and once again this chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and you will be skipping the first stitch from this row and going directly into the second stitch. So just go ahead and place a half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and once again leave the last stitch undone, and now chain 1, turn your work and skip the first stitch, go into the second, 1, 2, and 3, and this is our last row. I am actually going to finish with a point. I think it'll look nicer. So chain 1, turn your work and just add 1 half double crochet into the second chain, and that's it. So I fastened off, so I've snipped off my yarn, and I am going to slip stitch this, and this is my beautiful scarf. I love it. I am going to be sewing in my loose ends, and then I'll get back to you. So this is the finished scarf. As you can see, I love it. It's so pretty and it can be crocheted in many different colors. Please let me know in the comments what you thought of this scarf, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.